So today I'm out here testing my new gadget that I think will improve my videos when I'm making something, doing something, gluing stickers, anything. You can see here is my DJI Action 4, and attached to it is a little metallic pendant. It's the TELESIN, it's Chinese manufacturer, and we can stick it right here at the moment. And beneath, around my neck, is the other part of the pendant. This has 6 magnets, I think 6 or 4, and that's it. You put it, it's on a little string, and you put it underneath your clothes, and you just stick it. Your action camera sticks right to it. It's not meant for action sports, of course. It's more meant of a POV view when you're doing something, or maybe you're fishing, something like that. For me, it's for gluing stickers. In the future, maybe painting some murals, and I need my other hand free so I can do it more comfortably. And with this gadget, I can attach my Pocket 3 to this same TELESIN pendant. Right now, the Pocket 3 is attached to me, to the pendant, and it holds pretty well. And if I would be doing something like, where's my stickers? If I'm doing like something like this, and I'm gluing my stickers here, because the Pocket 3 has 30 centimeters minimal focusing distance, which is quite good. It's better than the Action 4, because Action 4 has around, it has no autofocus, so the minimal distance is around 40 centimeters, which is about here. So with Pocket 3 I can get it closer. And of course Pocket 3 has 20 millimeters lens, so it's a bit narrower. It doesn't make this fisheye effect, so it looks more natural. And if we were doing something like somebody dropped this cig here and we would throw it away, it would look better than in the action camera. And also the Pocket 3 doesn't look like action camera, which in my case is a plus. But the good thing about this metal pendant is that you can use it almost anywhere. The same place. Here's a bin. Oh shit, the bin is not metallic. Let's try to stick them here, and I'm gonna be walking down or walking up the stairs because I'm alone. There is nobody that could film me, so here we'll adjust the view. Here. So another interesting point of view, another interesting way to mount your camera, and I think it's a plus. Only for a long distance talking head videos like this, I need a mic. And the Pocket 3 is compatible with the latest and greatest DJI products, such as DJI Mic Mini, which I'm thinking of buying. And I must say, the magnet is pretty damn good, because the Pocket 3 isn't, let's say, a very small camera, but I think it could even hold a small point-of-shoot camera. Action cameras, no problem. Pocket 3, no problem. And I think that's the most pocketable cameras around, with the best quality, but with the best audio for us as vloggers, artists, bike riders, etc. And I like it. I like this magnet very much. We can turn on face tracking and I can walk around. Camera is tracking me. I don't need a tripod. If I had a mic, I could go a bit further away from camera, but I can't because you won't hear me. And it's a nice gadget to have, and it's basically, one thing is around your neck, you don't have to carry it in your pocket, and the second thing is pretty damn small, so it's pocketable. So I have 2 cameras, no tripod, but I don't need it. And when it's time to go, you just take it and go. And the same goes if you want to film yourself like you're walking, you're driving your bike, and if you're mostly doing it in the city, then any street sign Any pole would do. And it doesn't matter if the pole is circle. If the pole is cylinder, it doesn't need this flat surface because the magnet is so strong it sticks up anyway. And we can do, let's adjust that a bit here. And if I would have a mic, you would hear me perfectly, and I could walk and say, hey, let's go there, I saw something there. Perfect. You have a ideal gadget to make your movies, make your vlogs more interesting. If I had a mic, I could go down there with the duckies and come walking forward to camera and start whatever I need to say to you. So you see, with tracking enabled, it can follow me anywhere I'm going, and I think it's doing a pretty good job. I thought it could only turn like 180, but it seems it turns more than that. And it looks cool if you don't have your partner or anyone else who can assist you with filming. It's a neat gadget. Come on, let's go. Just for fun, let's try riding a bike with Pocket 3 and the TELESIN Pendant. I think the point of view, the lens is way too narrow for it. But still, it's an experiment because it's getting dark outside, and action cameras don't do that all that well in dark. So just to see how this works. Maybe if you're on a electric scooter, the footage would be much better, but on a bike, either you have to see the handlebars for it to be interesting, or you need it up higher so you don't see the handlebars. And here's another moment, another opportunity. You can just take the camera from your pendant, stick it here, and make a passing by video. For the Pocket 3, I think it works perfect if you want to attach it to all the metal things in your city. But for POV shots, I think the action camera is better because the angle of the lens is much wider than on the Pocket 3. I'm sorry that the videos are so gray and dull. I can't do nothing about it. It's still winter. Still, it's dark mostly all the time, and I can't wait for spring and some colors. And one more giant difference between this and a chest harness, where chest harness basically does the same, is that if you're traveling or you're out with your family and you want to capture some moments or do some stuff, you will have to take out the chest harness, all the straps, put it on, make your t-shirt go crinkly. This one is more sophisticated. You can wear the pendant underneath your clothes all the time and just stick it up when you need it, and that's what I think is the biggest bonus for this. And of course that you can, when you take it off your pendant, you can attach it anywhere and you can film hands-free and get interesting points of views, interesting angles. So it's a win. And one more thing that I find very handy is that the camera is always on me. It's not in my pocket, it's not in my bag, it's always on me. I just take it off, stick it somewhere, and start recording. Black clothes, black camera. It's very sophisticated, it doesn't stand out. Nobody's looking at me weirdly. So that's another bonus for this for this pendant. And it's only my first day of using it, and I already find it very adventurous to look any spot that can I stick my magnet on, my pendant. And it's fun. It's like a little game. Where can I stick my camera? How will this look? I think it's cool. Nice. I like it.
If you're new here, welcome. I'm a creative person through and through, and this is the place where I share my journey. My passions range from drawing and painting to street art, travel photography, linocut printing, and my work as graphic designer. Whether I'm creating art, traveling and capturing the world through my lens, designing bold packaging, or carving my imagination into prints, I invite you to join me on my everyday adventures, big and small. Let's get inspired to live, to love, to learn, and create.